I'm here waiting for a free washing machine. There was a free washing machine promo when we bought the house. So they're supposed to deliver it here today. I don't know what kind of washing machine it is. And there's no space for a washing machine here. So I don't know, we will see. I will put up a lamp here in the meantime while I'm waiting. Cole is also here. I'm waiting for her to bring lunch. She's been with the BIR. I guess she'll be back soon. Our free washing machine is here.
Use my face mask.
Like this up. Seryoso dong sapatos mo.
Yeah, it's not so heavy, is it? What do you say?
Kasi mo yung akong requirements sa contact sa 10 number.
Okay.
Ano may akong requirements?
Contando siya sa kanina mo basahin, di basahin pa nimo.
Contact to sell, 25%. Kanina na pala ko.
So kanina lang.
Kanila mo kani.
Oh, pwede buhatan to.
Akong face mask kayo. Akong face mask.
Hey. We have a new washing machine, but nowhere to put it.
Put in outside.
Yeah, we will put it outside later on. Many papers to sign. How many copies there? 5? 6?
Copies, sir.
5 copies.
5 copies back to back.
15 pages.